Wrap paper is very passporty-ish, if that's a word. Yo, what's good everyone? You just watched it on the GameShore, and today we have a very special and different video. Today we are getting into our series of hype unboxings. This is obviously the first episode, and we have a really big banger today. If y'all know what these shoes are, very coveted, very nice, at least for my standards. Shout out Trade Block, not sponsored, but that's where we got the shoes. So I traded them for a pair of court purples and a, what was the other ones? And a pair of dunks, I believe. Actually, I'll pull it up right now. But yeah, aside from this, if y'all don't know what this colorway is, this is a Union LA Union Dunk, or just a Union Dunk Passport, and it is currently going for around $350 to $400 depending. Oh, here is the trade that we did. Shout out to the seller right here. And that's all that we did. And you can tell me in the comments if it was a valid trade or not. But for me, obviously, as you could see, it is very important. So now let's get right into the shoes. So first of all, we could see the box. Obviously, it's an amazing box. We could see the different ways and the patterns in which, you know, it's called Passport. You know, it's one that is meant to be somewhat of a concept in terms of adventure and travel that the CEO of or the owner of Union does a lot. And right, getting into it, you can see the wrap paper is very passporty-ish, if that's a word, but very, very special. And here we go. Here is first slicks right here. Comes with a hang tag, if y'all know what that is. And then we have right here the Union logo. Right here we have the swoosh. All different material, obviously, as y'all could see from the toe box. It's like a grid type of material, and I do know that you could rip it away if you wanted to, but there is furring around it, which I think adds a vibe to it. Something interesting that I found is that it does have a more stiff type of material than usual dunks, but it's something that it might work, might not, depending on how you like your materials. And you can see here the little top layer, something cool. But yeah, this is the right shoe, very vibey, very fire in my opinion. And then on the second shoe, with a pair of navy laces, just so that you can see how it looks. I would prefer the white ones or navy ones, depending on what I'm intending. But yeah, I mean, not much to say here, just that they're a fire pair, and if you need one, definitely go cop. If you can't cop, I think there are the other two colorways of the Unions, the court purples, and I forgot the other ones, the blue ones, but there are definitely amazing alternatives in comparison to the Passport ones. But don't sleep on any Union drop. Shout out to the Cortezes that just came out. But yeah, other than that, hopefully you enjoy, and till next time, peace.